Let's talk about the sign Capricorn, which is the 10th sign of the zodiac and is a cardinal earth sign ruled by Saturn. So, Capricorn itself is the sign of karma because it is the original 10th house sign. So, Capricorn is one of the most powerful signs of the zodiac because it knows and is confident in doing the hard work consistently with patience, perseverance, and resilience because nothing can come in their way when they set their mind to something because they have a tunnel vision in life. They are single focused, which makes them extremely confident in their own abilities because they are also good at patiently, slowly building step by step a very strong foundation in life, a strong base for the legacy that they are trying to build, which will be passed on to generations. So, this is the sign of Capricorn. It is connected with the root chakra, which is connected with the security, the foundation, and the structure that you build in life. But what is the shadow side of Capricorn? Overworking and rigidity. Because Capricorns also become rigid as they are an earth sign. And their habit of overworking, just going on without taking actual rest. So, this is when they start suffering illnesses. So, you must schedule your work, you must make your routine in such a way that you take out enough time for rest because that helps you in building the inner stability, which is so important for you because you're trying to build so much in life. And for all the Capricorns, you must keep moving forward because you are a cardinal sign who keeps moving forward no matter how difficult the path is, no matter what challenges they face in life, no matter how many enemies they face in life. They are just able to keep moving forward. And when they keep doing that, when they trust in themselves, when they trust their life path and they trust their natural gifts and purpose and they start working with them, then their success is undeniable, unbeatable because they are connected with the nakshatra Uttarashadha, which means the undefeated one. So, Capricorn is therefore one